So next, we've devised a test with a twist, so they can help us find out which smoothie maker produces the best blended beverages in our battle of the brands. So we've got 3 smoothie makers here. It's down to you guys to decide which is the best.
The tricky bit is we have removed all the branding, OK? So any loyalties that you may have, you'll have to dash them out the window.
OK.
OK?
So to make it a fair test, you're going to be using the same ingredients each time, and we've got the same recipe for you. It's quite simple. You just need to add the corned beef to the cabbage. No, it's not that. It's a nice raspberry and apple smoothie. Got some frozen bits in there, some lumpy bits, some apple with skin on. So I feel like we're going to put the smoothie makers through their paces.
Sounds really appetising.
It's nice. It's got honey as
honey.
well.
Oh, OK.
Exactly, the
Yeah.
sweetness. So let me give you guys the recipe.
Thank you.
And we'll leave you to get blending.
Thank you.
OK, let's
Off we
go for it.
Right.
Matt and PJ don't know it, but the first of the smoothie makers we're giving them is indeed the cheapest. The Breville Blend Active Personal Blender, costing just over £20.
You tell the recipe, I'll put it in.
OK, 1 apple.
But with only a 350-watt motor, will it crush the opposition and make the most scrumptious smoothie?
Is that on? I don't think that's on. Oh.
Oh, here we go.
That definitely could have been a disaster.
This one only has 4 blades instead of 6 blades.
OK.
Ready?
So it'll be interesting to see whether that actually will be reflected in the end product, whether it gets really smooth.
Looks like it's whizzed everything up. Don't hear any lumps.
OK, let's give it a try.
Very nice.
Nice.
Yoghurt. Yeah,
Is it?
lovely.
It's really nice.
Well, we stuck to
There's
the
quite a lot of
recipe.
bits, though.
Yeah.
I suppose you
Don't drink it all.
OK. Well, I suppose I'll have to see how the others go. But yes, I would drink it.
It is OT.
It's really OT, yeah.
Yeah.
Bitty OT, you mean?
Bitty OT.
So that's interesting that actually it probably hasn't quite blended as much as you hoped.
Next, unbeknown to Matt and PJ, is the mid-range blender, the aptly named Ninja Blender, costing £79. So I don't know if you noticed, but the blade setup on this one, you've got 4 and then 2 cheeky little upstart ones in the middle.
I think it's the blade, isn't it?
Yeah, tells me it's better quality.
Taking a total blade count to 6. So let's see if that's reflected in the end product.
Oh, well.
There we go.
There you go.
So just go in blend.
Blend.
I wonder if the pulsing will produce a better smoothie, though.
It's a new technique.
I love the fact that we haven't actually had to do anything.
Yeah. You don't even have to press the button.
It's nice. It feels a bit more slushy.
Yeah.
Icier.
Yeah, the ice isn't as crushed, is it? So there's bits of ice.
Yeah.
Ah, so it actually hasn't blended it as
the
well.
fruit is much more blended, and like the oats, it's really smooth with pieces of ice in it.
Last but definitely not least is the most expensive option, the NutriBullet Balance Blender, costing a fraction under £100.
Interesting. Can't pick it up.
It's
got suckers on the bottom,
Oh, that's good.
which is quite clever.
It's different.
So what's cool about this, Otis, is it actually comes with this app. You can follow it to put together your smoothie recipes, and the recipes dictate how long it needs to be whizzed for.
Great.
Okay, so
Let's give it a go.
this one is gonna go as soon as
Push down and twist.
push down the twist.
Yes.
Yeah, still some stuff at the bottom. It tastes really nice. Yeah, it does taste really nice. It's still got quite a lot of bits in.
I like this one. I think it's nice.
I do. I really like this one.
Deliberation time.
Well, I think we can instantly write off the first one.
Yeah, third one they're both keen on. Matt probably preferred that one though, so it'll be interesting to see how they're going to actually
Which way they go.
decide between the second and third.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a huge amount of difference between the two of them. I prefer that one.
Yeah.
Is obviously that one wasn't mixed as well.
But I prefer the taste of number 3. So you like number 2, I like number 3. We're gonna have to sort it out. There's got to be a winner.
That has.
So, with the cheapest blender on test from Breville being ruled out, will the winner be the mid-price option from Ninja?
Or will it be the most expensive of our three from blending aficionados, NutriBullet?
So, guys, have you come to a final decision?
It's come down to how easy it was to use the smoothie maker.
Okay.
And there was definitely one out of these two that was a lot easier to use. And we've agreed on
Number two.
Number two. So the smoothie maker that you chose, it's our mid-range one by Ninja, and it costs £79.
Okay.
Now, the blender that was just pipped to the post was the most expensive one. It was the NutriBullet Balance.
Oh, really? That's a surprise.
Yeah. I would say quite confidently we would have bought number three because it was the most expensive.
most expensive.
We assumed it was the best.
Ah, so you would have actually been swayed by the fact that it was a NutriBullet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So the blind test has worked.
It really has.
Found a nice
Definitely.
midpoint there,
Well
but it's
done.
your favourite smoothie maker.
Amazing.
Brilliant.